So our goal is to find the solution for this set of simultaneous equations. So I'm going to use a substitution technique. For that reason, I'm going to first change the equation on the left as y equals. So basically you're making y as the subject. So for that, I need to rearrange this. Remember, whatever you do on one side, you do it on the other side. So you write 3y is equal to 1 minus 4x is not going to be anywhere close to 3. 1 is just a number, minus 4x is a variable. So they both stay. Now I still have a 3 with the y, so I need to divide everything with 3. 3 and 3 cancel and y is left out. So in general, sometimes you can also write this as, so both of them are correct. Now on this side, what I'm going to do is I have a choice. I can take this y, okay, because when two lines are intersecting, at this point, the x and the y are the same for both equations. So for example, if I have a y here, I could have taken this entire piece and I could have replaced it with this y. So that is one approach. If I don't like that approach and I think it looks more complex, we can also rearrange this equation as y equals and then equal them together. But I want to go with this since this is one of your favorite approaches so far. So I'm going to do 8x plus 5, and in place of y I need to write 1 over 3 minus 4 over 3x. Okay, so that is my new y now, because my y has been replaced with whatever I rearranged here, is equal to 13. So 8x plus 5 over 3 minus 5 times 4, 20x divided by 3 is equal to 13. Now, keep the x's on the left, move the numbers to the right. So what will happen on my left? This is an x, this is an x. So in your calculators, go ahead and type in 8 minus 20 divided by 3. So since you have an option on calculators, we don't have to do it manually. Otherwise, you need to know the technique of getting LCD, LCM, and then do the fraction. So the fastest way you should have done it is 8 minus 20 over 3. So what did you get on your calculators? 4 over 3? What did you get? 4 over 3. And I still have 5 over 3 here that I need to move it with the number on the other side. So as you know, whenever we are moving across the equal signs, we need to change the sign. So you have 4 over 3x on one side. What do you get? 13 minus 5 over 3. So type in 13 minus 5 over 3 in your calculators. What did you get? Is it 34 divided by 3?
Yeah.
Okay. Just pay attention here. So when you have the same denominators on both sides of the equation, you can simply cancel them. If it is the same denominator on both sides of the equation, you can simply cancel it out. So you have 4x equals 34 divided by 4. So what do I get? X is 8.5. Now once I have x, all I need to do is replace it in an equation to get the y.
It's like a negative 8.5.
39 minus 5 is 34 divided by, so it's positive. On this one,
You take a look at what I've done and tell me what it's wrong.
8 times 3 is 24, 24 minus 20, it's still both sides you have positive, so
Can you tell me what I've done there?
okay, all right, I'll check it out. So now what happens here is replace an equation with x. So let's look at your original equation. So when I replace it with 8.5, so 8.5 times 4 is 34 minus 34 on both sides divide by 3 . So I got negative 11. So finally your solution is x comma y, which is nothing but 8.5 comma minus 11. If my working is correct, you should go back and substitute in both equations and see if this is correct. For example, 8x plus 5y is equal to 13. So when you substitute x as your 8.5 and y as your negative 11, you should get 13. If it doesn't come out as 13, then something is wrong. So please type in your calculators and verify and let me know. Charlene, I'm waiting on you.
My y is negative 11, but my x is negative 8.5.
Interesting. Where did you end up getting that?
So the way that I did it is I did the rainbow bracket.
Okay, I'll come and check. Charlene, I'm waiting for you. Did you substitute? You're the only one with the calculator at the moment. Quick. Can you type that in?
Last year I said I had a large.
I got a large.
Huh?
You got medium now.
Yeah.
I should have got a large.
We'll swap the
What did you get?
Yeah, what shorts? I got a medium shorts. Which one's the shorts?
Did you get a trip to have like a throat?
Yeah.
So that means my solution is correct.